What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding solving quadratic equations in this form: a times x minus h to the power 2 equals to k. First example is x minus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 16. So we can say answer is x minus 3 equals to plus minus square root of 16, which will be plus minus 4. Then I can say x will be equal to 3 plus minus 4, which is 3 plus 4 or 3 minus 4. If it's 3 plus 4 is 7, if it's 3 minus 4 is going to be negative 1. So these are the two possible answers. Next example. M minus 7 to the power of 2 equals to 12. Answer will be m minus 7. We square root of both sides. We find square root of both sides. So it's going to be plus minus 12. Then m minus 7 will be 12 is 4 times 3. So it's going to be square root of 4 times square root of 3, which will be m minus 7 plus minus 2 root 3. Then we add 7 to both sides. It will be m equals to 7 plus minus 2 root 3. So there are two possible answers. One of them is 7 plus 2 root 3. The other one is going to be 7 minus 2 root 3. Next example. Have x minus 1 over 2 to the power of 2 equals to 5 over 4. Answer is x minus 1 over 2 equals to plus minus square root of 5 over 4, which will be plus minus root 5 over 2, because square root of 4 is 2. And then we add 1 over 2. It's going to be 1 over 2 plus minus root 5 over 2, or 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. We can write it in any of these forms. This form is more proper. 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2 is the answer. So it means that one answer is 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. The other one 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. Next example. X minus 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 equals to 30. Answer will be x minus 2 to the power of 2. We move this 3 to the right hand side. 30 minus 3. So as you see here, we need to isolate x. 30 minus 3 is 27. So x minus 2 is going to be plus minus square root of 27, which will be plus minus root 9 times root 3, because 27 is 9 times 3. So that's going to be plus minus root 9 is 3, plus minus 3 root 3. That's x minus 2. So x will be 2 plus minus 3 root 3. So there are two possible answers. One of them is 2 plus root 3 root 3. The other one is 2 minus 3 root 3. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and chemistry. Thank you for watching again, and have a great day.